The internal energy of an ideal gas is given by the sum of microscopic kinetic energies of the molecules due to their random motion. An ideal gas does not experience intermolecular forces, hence it does not have microscopic potential energies. The mass of air is equal to number of moles multiplied by the molar mass, so we get 0.091 kg. Density is mass per unit volume. It's also molar mass multiplied by number of moles divided by volume. The molar mass is a constant. The volume is a unit volume, so it's also a constant. Therefore, the density is proportional to the number of moles. The number of moles is inversely proportional to the temperature since pressure and volume are constants. So our answer is 1.59.